A1 English listening. A tour of my city.
Hi, I'm Tiffany. I'm from Savannah, Georgia. It is a beautiful, historic city. Today, I'll show you my favorite places. First, this is Forsyth Park. I think it's the best park in Savannah. It's a great place to go for a walk or have a picnic. You should go. Next, this is City Market. It's my favorite market. There are many shops and restaurants. This is River Street. It's one of the most famous streets in the city. You can walk along the river and enjoy the view of the Talmadge Memorial Bridge. I highly recommend it. Savannah also has some of the most beautiful historic architecture in the United States. For example, this is the Old Pink House. It's one of the oldest buildings in Savannah. Today, it's one of the most popular restaurants in the city. You should eat here. I love my city, but my least favorite part of Savannah is the hot weather and the bugs. You shouldn't visit in late July. It's the worst time of the year to visit Savannah. I recommend visiting in the spring or the fall because the weather is pleasant. It was great showing you my city.
Now it's your turn. What are the best places in your city? What should a tourist do in your city? What shouldn't a tourist do in your city?